Hey guys, welcome back to the CGF YouTube channel. Today we're going to bring you a review / point of view drive of a 2002 Lexus IS300. Just picked this up. It's going to be a new project for our channel. Rear wheel drive, limited slip differential on this particular car. This is a 5-speed manual, which is really rare. These taillights were the original Altezza taillights. It doesn't have the turbo, but it has a legendary 2JZ. This thing is bone stock. 2002, it has 240,000 miles. The crazy thing is this car drives amazingly well. Big plans for this car. I mean, it's stock now, but it's not going to remain stock. I feel like if you have a 2JZ and you're not turboing your car, you're probably doing it wrong. And that's just my opinion. For having 240,000 miles, this car is in pretty darn good shape. I always like the factory IS300 wheels also. I always thought they looked pretty nice. So let's go inside and take a look in there before we get going. On these cars, only 5% of them from 2002 to 2005 were a manual transmission. They did not make a manual in 2001. The chronograph gauges there, I always thought those looked amazingly cool. Definitely a nice little touch. This interior's in pretty good shape. One thing that, and it's probably hard to tell on camera, but it does have the sticky dash issue over there. 2002 to 2005 have the sticky dash. In 2001, the dash was fine. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. This thing's so quiet when they're bone stock, you can't even tell the engine's running. Now you can hear the 2JZ, but it's quiet. Let's take it for a drive. See what we think. This has a W55 5-speed transmission. They're not known for being really strong, but it shifts amazingly well. It feels really good to shift. Let's wait for the road to straighten up here, and then we'll do kind of like a run to 100 miles an hour or something like that. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not the fastest thing in the world. Let's turn traction control off, because who needs that? Let's do a little burnout. Why not, right? Let's do a little burnout. Just incredibly easy in this car. Just give it some revs. Definitely not the fastest thing in the world, but for being bone stock with 240,000 miles, This engine runs incredibly well. Let's see how it does on some back roads here. This engine has plenty of mid-range torque. It's the VVTi version of the 2JZ GE. I think the VVTi is active up until about 4,500 RPM. And what the VVT does is it advances the intake cam and really gives you a lot more low-end torque. One thing that I immediately noticed about this car after coming from my Acura RSX is how quiet it is. Like the interior, there's not a lot of creaks or rattles or anything, which is crazy for a car with 240,000 miles. And I think that just speaks volumes about the build quality. Let's see how this car will do on a more tight back road here. Feel that soft suspension. This car has a really light feel to it. You know, I think they're 3,200 pounds, but it feels a lot lighter than you would believe. I think Lexus did a great job with this car. This engine has plenty of mid-range torque for a road like this. Just keep the revs right between 3,000 or 5,000. Has plenty of power to pull you out of corners. Let's kind of launch it here in first gear and see what it will do. Let's try to get a little bit of wheel spin. Definitely not going to win any quarter-mile contests, but it's fun. These cars have a clutch delay valve, and that's another area where Lexus was trying to make this a smooth car to drive. And what the delay valve does is it slows down the engagement of the clutch to try and make it easier to drive, but it kind of numbs the pedal. You still feel things through the clutch pedal, but it kind of feels lifeless, if you will, like through the clutch pedal. The transmission is great to shift, but the clutch pedal doesn't have a lot of feel to it. Let's turn off traction control. Yeah, it's pretty funny. This car, being from 2002, actually has a traction control button. And it definitely does work. The car's definitely more fun when you turn it off, though. That's for darn sure. I wonder if we can do a burnout right here. Yep. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. We've got a lot more videos on our channel, a lot of interesting car content. If you enjoyed it, and if you made it this far in the video, you must have enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing. And until next time, guys, peace out. Appreciate it.